Hello there, I'm Dine and welcome back to the build log of my Beagle standard. This time we are going to cover the wiring preparation for the Beagle standard, which means shortening some cables, elongating some cables, making sure everything has a connector, etc. In the introduction video I forgot to mention that when you buy the Beagle standard kit, there's no manual included in the suitcase, so you have to download and print it yourself. But it's on the website and it's in full color, so you can print it yourself, and that's not actually not such quite an issue. I have it here printed and well, and as you can see, chapter 1 is about examining the bars and printed parts. It's always good to check before you start to build if everything is okay, especially with 3D printed parts, which are quite a lot actually. All the side pieces, all the corner pieces on the upper and lower vertex, and actuator plate and the carriages, they're all 3D printed, so check them ahead for imperfections. Use a file to remove them. It's all covered in the manual, so read it through, check your parts and fix whatever error there is. The wire preparation itself, it started, I said already, every chapter starts with a nice part list. Check ahead of time if you have everything. If not, contact Rap World and they will fix it for you. There's two ways to fix the wiring. One is with little metal ferrules. They show this in their instruction. I'm more comfortable with soldered connections, so I did all the connections soldered and finished it with shrink wrap. I will show you a quick video and a sort of time lapse, and then the end result. So I would say let's get to it. So there you have it. I realized this was like a real quick time lapse, but I will show you the end results. We have 3 steppers. These are the steppers that go into the lower vertex into the frame, which will drive eventually the belts, which in their turn move the carriage, and through the carbon rods finally move the hot end. As you can see, I shortened the cables that were on the stepper motors and replaced it with a 4-wire plug. The instructions say we have to use like 10 centimeters of this and then shorten this wire to 10 to 15 centimeters. I did it the other way around because I quite like that neat look of 4-wire ribbon cable. So I made the motor wires as short as possible, used some shrink wrap and made the ribbon cable the longest one. So we have 3 of these, and we have one that has longer wires. It still has the full length of the wires to the motor, and the elongation cable with the 4-pole plug on the end is also still full length. This is going to be the extruder motor. It's going to be mounted way up on the top of the frame, so the wires have to be pretty long to even reach that location. What else do we have? We have two 30mm fans. These wires are also extended to, I believe it's about 1.5 meters. These fans will cool the hot end cooler block, so the plastic only melts way down at the bottom of the heater block instead of already way up in the hot end and causing blockages. So this is important. We have two of them. They will be placed in a push-pull configuration. More on that later. And then we have this little fan. This is a 40mm fan. Again, with like shortened wires and a 2-pole plug in the end. This is going to cool the control board underneath the print bed. And then, last but not least, we have the build plate and the heater cartridge, which also has a nice two-way plug soldered to it. This is going to plug into the control board just on one of the sockets. And these are the heater mat plugs. They will screw in some screw terminals. That is about all there is to the electronics preparation. So next time we hopefully start to build the lower vertex, and then printer will finally start to get a little bit of shape. So that's it for today. Stay tuned. Bye.